Hey everyone, it's Monday, November 9th. Today, after you go and check in on campus, you need to watch the distance learning video that I have linked right here. That's going to go over policies that I have for distance learning and some tips so that you can be successful while we are doing distance learning. We start November 16th, so that's next Monday. It'll go until the end of the semester. You don't have school this week, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, so that teachers can get distance learning stuff ready for you to go. After you're done watching that video, then you need to do some comma integration practice. So click here on this link, and it should bring up this sheet. What you need to do in this is use one of the articles that you read about gun violence on Friday. You'll need to identify the main idea and how the author supports that idea while practicing comma integration. At one point, it's going to ask you a characteristic or something that the author does to help create their argument. These are some of the things that authors might do to help create an argument. So pay attention to those. You need to go through and fill out each one of these boxes. Remember, you're doing quote integration, so pay attention to punctuation, especially commas. Pay attention to capital letters. If you need to go back and see the comma integration notes, they are from last week. You can also find them on Schoology. When you're finished, go ahead and click on your Dropbox and submit your quote integration to the Dropbox. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.